We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, exactly here we mentioned we can look for buy. Anyway, we didn't have any buys that are based on 1 hour chart, and unless anyone get the trade based on 15 minutes, because we mentioned if we get any trade set up, we're looking for the sharp move. Anyway, this one turned to a deeper correction. Okay, and what I want to say is that still we can look for reversal. Any trade setup for buy, we can take the trade, but right now we don't have any trade setup, and we need to know if we get any reversal flag, we take the trade, and we want to see the breakout of this. But may this one can turn to a bigger or more complex correction. We need to be in about that. Even we can expect 10 to flat for more drop. We don't need to explain about all this possibility. All right. The only things I can mention right now, whatever the trade we get from here and this move, anyone is still they have to start to manage it, because mostly we will be more interested to get the correction and reversal, but still we have the possibility that this one can retest the low. Okay, the only thing is the trades we have to start to manage, and if we get any reversal, still we can look for buy with the breakout of this or 0.0092. We have to start to manage. Anyway, we move to higher time frame, we move to daily chart. We have been looking for the reversal. Okay, and this is what we get. Now the question is, even we mentioned that for this coin, since the price the way is moving is very corrective, any reversal for up move, it can be really sharp. Okay, that's why I explain how we can look for trade all those things. And right now what I want to mention that, can we expect this one turn to similar to what we get here? As we can see, we get the sharp move, the price drop, and this one give us a similar movement. Okay, that's mean if we move to forward chart, we can put this move in relative to this as a flat. This is what we have been explaining based on our analysis. Either this is a 3 waves or 5 waves. Okay, that's mean if we turn to a 5 waves, we can look for this flat. That's mean this one can retest the low. Okay, I don't want to say the price is going to drop. The only thing is I want to say that we have this possibility. That's why if we get any trade, we see there is no continuation, we need to how to start to manage. We need to see the breakout of the previous stop. Okay, that's why any move from here we take, we start to manage. As we can see, every time if we move to 1 hour chart, anytime we get a sharp move, it came up with the reversal. Okay, anyway, what we want to see the continuation from now. If we get based on lower time frame, still we can look for trade for buy, but any trade we get, we know how to manage it. Similar to what we get here, we get a sharp move, see how much is dropped, we get a sharp move, start to correct. This is the way the market is moving, is like we get a move correction. All right, but as we can see, the way it's drop is correct, is quite drop quite a lot, almost whatever is moved the same percentage is reverse back. Okay, that's why what I want to say is that still we can look for buy, but any trade setup we should have a proper management. That's why for me, first of all, whatever the trades we have within this moves, we have to start to manage. And if we wants to look for buy, we will look for the reversal, we take the trade and we start to manage it. And what I'm looking for, if I get any reversal from here, I will take the trade, but I need to see the breakout of this top. Okay, how about if the price sharply reversed from here, it didn't give us a trade setup, we can have entry above this, but we should know how to manage it. Because as we can see, simply we can expect the price tag and reverse from here, because I have this 1 2 3, we can get this flat. Okay, and right now we don't have any trade setup, let it drop, but any reversal we will need the sharp move flag, at least we take it. And how about if we move to 15 minute? Okay, we don't have anything. And if we move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, if we want to have entry above the top right now, the only thing is we can above here. But what I prefer, if this one drop and break the previous low, maybe we can have entry above this. In case the price sharply reverse and it didn't give us a trade setup, but mostly we want to see the reversal point as a flag. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. If we get any reversal for buy, we will take it. Anyway, again, if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.